What's up, man? It's your boy Joe Hines. It's early as fuck. You know, I'm in here. It's early. Just waking up, you know. But up early, man. Trying to get this song ready, man. I just want to bring y'all in the studio with me just for a second. You feel me? For a minute. For wow. Trying to put this shit together, man. I'm gonna let y'all hear the chorus. And this is what I do. I love this shit, man. You feel me?
Straight out of Diamond Star Production.
When I see you, I don't know what to do, baby. All I'm thinking about is you, baby. So come over, just come over. Not like that other man, I'm me, baby. Show you better than I can tell you to see, baby. Just come over, just come over.
Dope bitch you ever heard.
You feel me? And then I just dive in that bitch. And you know my verse gonna do what it do. I gotta make it for the ladies, man. I don't do it for nobody, but I do it for y'all. My family, homeboy, friend, niece, nephew. I need a step so I can see everybody sipping on this water. Gotta put my life in perspective, in order. I'm just fucking with y'all though, man. I'm high early in the morning, man. I just want to bring y'all, y'all kick it with me for a minute, man. Duval County, we on the map. I'll let y'all nigga later. Back to this hit me. Out.